here's how to fix missing VCRUNTIME140.dll error. First of all, open your web browser and search for VCRUNTIME140.dll download. Then press enter. Now, go to the official Microsoft website. Once you're on the page, scroll down and you'll see two download options, x86 and x64. Here, you need to download the version that matches your PC. To check whether your PC is 32-bit or 64-bit, simply open the Start menu and search for System Information. Then open it. Now, look for system type. If it says x86-based PC, you have a 32-bit system, so you need to download the x86 version. If it says x64-based PC, you have a 64-bit system, so you need to download the x64 version. Once you know which version you need, go ahead and download the appropriate file for your PC. After the download is complete, open the file and follow the installation process. Accept the license agreement, then click Install, and wait a few moments for the installation to complete. Once the installation is finished, the required VC runtime files will be installed on your PC. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.